Welcome to this demonstration of how WhoopCloud Hypercontext and Mist Cloud work together via APIs to continuously and dynamically microsegment devices on the network based on their hypercontext attributes. This is all accomplished without access control lists or network access control solutions and is easily accomplished even post-authentication. As this architecture illustrates, this advanced microsegmentation works both with Mist access points and Juniper EX series network switches. While we can use any combination of hypercontext attributes, this demo will show microsegmentation based on the compliance attributes of two devices. One that is compliant with corporate policies because it is using a corporate mandated software application. The other device is not compliant because it has never accessed the corporate mandated software. Prior to the introduction of WhoopCloud, the Mist Cloud has multiple VLANs defined and that need to be maintained on a regular basis. We'll focus on three of the VLANs today. VLAN 1, which is for our standard authenticated devices, VLAN 70 for our compliant corporate devices, and VLAN 80 for non-compliant corporate devices. With WhoopCloud and Mist Cloud integrated together, you'll quickly see how to enable microsegmentation from a traditional static configuration to a continuous and dynamically driven configuration using WhoopCloud's device intelligence and device-level enforcement from Mist Cloud. Before we use WhoopCloud, let's take a look at the labels for the compliant and non-compliant devices. Notice that the labels are empty. Now we'll use WhoopCloud to activate two policies, one for compliant devices and the other for non-compliant devices. As we stated earlier, you can use any combination of hypercontext attributes, and using an API integration, WhoopCloud communicates with Mist Cloud to enforce these policies. Now that we activated these two policies, you will see that the MAC addresses for the devices will be dynamically applied to the Mist Cloud labels, but you also see the devices were dynamically segmented into the proper VLANs, while other devices remained in the default VLAN. While this demonstration highlighted standard computers being microsegmented, this also works for IoT devices, including those not compliant with 802.1x. Furthermore, using Mist Cloud Wired Assurance, hypercontext can be used to microsegment wired devices connected to Juniper EX series switches. Combining the capabilities of Mist Cloud, Juniper Networking EX series switches, and WhoopCloud Hypercontext provides you unprecedented next-generation network access control without the need for a dedicated NAC solution. For more information, go to www.mist.com or www.juniper.net.